Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. I have here NGC unbox. We know it's only one coin inside, but the reason I like to show you, it's a extremely rare gold bullion. It's a modern gold coin, 1 ounce of gold, but it's really expensive. The reason I know the box not open yet, as you can see, is sealed. I don't know how it look like inside. We gonna unbox together. But before you receive the coin, you gotta take grading report, so you'll be able to see which coins and which grade you get for the submission. So it is a really special coin. It's something, it's extremely hard to get it, especially the way I cut it. And let's open up. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, the coins will wrap it up in here, and there's a special label, a special holder. The holder can scratch, and here's the coin. You got in here. I know you guys remember about this coin. 2020 West Point Gold Eagle, $50. Fee 75, and of course it is a perfect grade. The fee 75 brief is gonna be right here. It symbolizes the 75th anniversary of the Second World War II. They're making silver, they're making gold, and that's the gold version of it. It is a beautiful coin. It is a perfect grade coin. If you look in the reverse, let me see if I can open it up in here. This coin not required to talk a lot about it. Was extremely hard once released. The mintage sold really quick, and at the time was really expensive coin, and it's still expensive coin. The price did drop, and of course it's a perfect grade. Once got a perfect grade, it's extremely hard to get it. It's one of the kind coin. And let me show the red book why this coin is so expensive. That's the red book from 2022. I'm sorry, 2024. And the reason this coin is really expensive, you're gonna see here 2020, the April 75th anniversary, end of the World War II with brief mark. They strike only $1,939 in proof, and the price as proof is start off $13,000. But a proof to become a uncirculated proof, of course, all those coins is gonna be uncirculated when you come from the mint. The proof running from number 60 to 70, and right here is not specified of the graded. Okay, let's consider the lowest possible. And the one you got, it's proof 70, but we know the mintage stream row is choose 1939 right there. Okay, so like I say, once I look up just on my certification, my submission on NGC, you got in here the same serial number. You got here the information of the coin. Once you type the serial number in there, all the information come up. You have those pictures from both sides, and they have extra picture because the price of the coin, they tend to show more details of it. And the NGC price guide, retail price guide, it's $23,500. Of course, it's really hard to carry that number. It's a well-deserved, but it's extremely hard to carry because less people can afford it. Less people can buy for the collection or investment at this point. But it is high-end coin and the best grade as possible. And as proof 70, from 1,939 coins minted on that year, which is a specific coin fee 75 brief, they have only 142 coins certified approved 70. There is no higher, and it's a top up, of course. So once again, that's what I have for today. Just wonderful investment created coin to collect or invest. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.